శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖమహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం శ్రీసుఖ యోగీంద్ర డూయింగ్ నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. బిఫోర్ he begins his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, Srisuka Yogindra disclosing his oblations to Srimannarayana, saying that, "Ho Raja, Purna Purushottama, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Srimannarayana is only the one who can bestow us moksham. Edangri abhidhyana samadhidhautaya dhiya anupasyanti." Just by remembering the divine lotus feet of Srimannarayana, our buddhi will be purified. Then we will be able to get Atma Darshanam. Those who are getting Atma Darshanam like that, first they do service to, they do Aradhana to Srimannarayana. Only with the service of Srimannarayana people are getting Atma Darshanam. O Maharaja, such Srimannarayana Mukunda Same Mukundo Bhagavan Prasidatam me, that Mukunda Srimannarayana bless me, shower his anugraham on me. O Maharaja, prachodita yena pura saraswati. In the very beginning of this era, in the very beginning of every era, he is the one, Paramatma is the one who gives memory power to Chaturmukha Brahma and helps Brahma to do this entire Srishti Karyam. Not only that, as a Veda Swarupam, Paramatma is the one who discloses Saraswati Devi through Chaturmukha Brahma in the form of the Veda mantras. Such Srimannarayana, such the one who gives us the Jnanam, Jnana Pradata Srimannarayana, to him I am doing namaskaram, and may that Jnana Pradata Srimannarayana shower his anugraham on me. O Maharaja, Anuvo Kaka Kadun Mahavibhavudo Achinnudo Chinnudo Guniyo Nirgunudo Atanchu Vibudhul. O Maharaja, even great scholars also unable to perceive the glory, the power, the supremacy of Paramatma. Such Paramatma brings out this entire creation. Such Paramatma discloses all these entities, and he is the one who makes his presence in each and every entity. And he is the one who makes his presence in the souls. He is the one who is all pervasive. O Maharaja, and he is the one who is helping every soul through their body perform their duties. Such Paramatma, such Antaryami, Sarvantaryami, Saha Alankrushishta Bhagavan Vachamsi me. May Srimannarayana accept my talk which I am going to be giving you. May such Srimannarayana be disclosed through my words very well to you. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra did namaskaram to Srimannarayana, and now he is doing namaskaram to his father Vyasa Maharshi, who is the one Acharya, Guru also to him. Namastasmai Bhagavate Vasudevaya Vedhase. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra bowing his head to his father Vyasa Maharshi before he begins his teachings to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.